Hey guys, it's your girl Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion, and I'm back with another video, and edit all. Hey, I definitely just made that up in my head. The title, this is a drugstore makeup full face. I got asked a while ago to do a full face of using nothing but drugstore makeup. It took me a little bit to get everything with ordering online and shipping being delayed for everything that's going on. So I'm finally getting a chance to do this video. If you guys are curious about the drugstore product that I am using, check out my last video where I did a full haul, just going over all the products, what I bought and why. In this video, I'll just be using them and just showing you what I'm using. I won't be going into too much detail because I don't want this video to be too long. Like I said, it's your girl Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share. I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe because you're gonna want to. Why? Because you about to see that I'm tons of fun. So I'm not asking you to subscribe no more. Either you're gonna rock with me or you're not. Period. And to all my subscribers, my little 150, we almost at 150. I don't know if we hit it just yet. Love y'all. Thank you, my little beauty community, and thanks for rocking with your girl, cranking out some stuff for y'all. I see you. I see you. Alrighty, so I don't want this intro to be too long. I'm about to just jump straight into the video. All right, we're using the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer, and as you guys can see, it has like the gold flecks in it. Alrighty guys, so now that we have that primer blended in, we're about to jump into our brows, and I am using the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in Espresso. This is one of my favorite like drugstore brow pencils, and it's only $10. Y'all. Alrighty, so let's jump into the eyes. I'm actually going to be using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in number 7 in my crease. I saw another Instagrammer makeup artist do this and I thought it was interesting. So just dab some of that brown concealer in your crease like so. The palette that I'll be using today is the I Heart Revolution's Chocolate S'mores palette. It looks like this. I think it is so cute. That's why I got it. It was only 15 bucks, a really great price, I think. And I really was just this one right here. And I'm gonna use this color here as our transition color. Color. Because we are going to go for kind of a cut crease look today. So let's go into Dessert, which is this color right here. And let's try to start deepening this out. Alrighty, so I got the e.l.f. liquid glitter shadow in Flirty Birdy, and that is this little thing right here. It reminds me so much of the Stila, I think it's Stila. They have like the same kind of like liquid glitter situation going on. So that's what it reminded me of. So I was trying to decide, okay, how am I going to cut my crease? Am I going to try the Vaseline method or just use this? I decided to just be lazy and just use this. Y'all pray that this come out okay. Okay, so. All right, so that's how that went. I'm satisfied. I think that's pretty. I don't like how it's just like the black and the Flirty Birdy glitter color. So I want to put something here to kind of transition the two. So let me look and see what's in this s'mores palette that we can use. Oh, that was not a bad idea. That was a good transition. Okay, so to me, that transition's so much better. It's not just like the stark contrast between the black and that like champagne gold Flirty Birdy color. Yeah, that's pretty. And that's what we needed. We needed a nice little transition of a darker but still shimmery color fading into that. And I'm gonna do the same for this eye. Okay, so I decided I am going to line my eyes. I definitely want to do a wing with this look. And now we're gonna jump into foundation. All right, so this particular foundation I have been wanting to try for such a long time. Like when it launched, I felt like the campaign was such a great campaign, so on and so forth. It is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Damn, if I can get it open. There we go. It's the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. Can't stop, won't stop, Rockefeller Records, baby. Now get down, baby. All right, anyway, back to your regularly scheduled program. I got the shade, what shade is this? Deep Sable. Why I can't read today? Yeah, so NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation and Deep Sable. It is a matte foundation and it is full coverage. So I'm gonna just put that on here like so. Okay, thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But I used the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, the one that I showed you guys earlier underneath my brows, underneath my eyes. This concealer is amazing. Not only does it dry matte, I feel like it really fills in under your eyes, but do work quickly, my friend, because it dries rather quickly. So I'm just gonna use my Real Technique sponge to blend this out, and yeah. Guys, so I blended that out. It may be coming off a little light, but I don't have any bronzer on. We're about to get into that because I got something new, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna set my under eye. I'm just gonna use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Loose Powder in Banana. I'm not gonna use a lot because this concealer is very matte. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on that wet sponge as is. I'm just gonna lightly set under there, lightly. I'm just gonna go in and bronze. So today, I'm gonna be using the Revolution Glow. So very similar to I Heart Revolution, Makeup Revolution, it's all under the same umbrella. So they had like a glow collection that came out, and I grabbed one of their ultra matte bronzers in the shade Dark. So this is the box. I'm gonna talk about this little collection in more detail because I got some other items, but that will be a separate video. And this is what the bronzer looks like. Ain't this packaging bomb? Come on. Like, I'm gonna go into, like I said, further detail about this line, but damn, I was like, I'm a packaging kind of person. Like, honestly, packaging always gets me. So good packaging is good marketing. Oh, bitch. Look at this. So not only does it come with the bronzer, but look at how big this damn mirror is. And trust me, honey, she was under $20. She was a nice little thrifty slay. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so I've talked enough about that, so I'm gonna go in and use this bronzer. I hope that this is the right color. All right, guys, so I finished up the face for the most part. I did my powder and everything. I'm gonna quickly show you guys which blush I'm gonna be using. It is the Milani Rose Dior blush. It is one of my favorites. favorite blushes ever in life. And I'm gonna do my lashes dead last. So I'm gonna just quickly show you guys. I love this Milani Big blush. It is everything, honey, everything. Alrighty, so now that we have our blush on, I'm gonna be using the NYX High Gloss Illuminating Highlighter, and this is in Golden Hour. And this is gonna be our highlight today. I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera. And these are the lashes that I will be using. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection, and this is Teddy 3D lashes. So I'm gonna be putting these on off camera. Alrighty guys, so I have popped on my lashes, honey. These lashes are everything. These are the Kiss lashes and Lace Up. I think the Lace Up collection. And this is Teddy. These are gorgeous, honey, gorgeous. Okay, so now we're about to jump into lips. Actually, before I do my lips, you know what? No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait before I set my face. All right, so we're going to jump into lips. And I bought quite a bit of the NYX butter glosses, like all the really pretty nude ones that are like all brown girl friendly. If you guys watched my last tutorial or my last haul, I talked about all these shades. So today I think I'm gonna use Fortune Cookie. And I'm going to use Madeleine. I'm gonna mix these two together. I'm gonna put Fortune Cookie in the center. And then for my liner, I will be using the NYX Espresso liner. Yes. Alrighty guys, so I already lined my lips. I really like to overline, like I overline. Let me make sure this is down low enough. Let me bring you guys right about there. There we go, I feel like you can see me better. Okay, so now that my lips are really overlined, this is gonna look crazy, but I promise you it's gonna look nice like once I blend it in. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in number 12 and lightly, oh I forgot I broke the little stick off of this. I'm gonna take a lip brush and I'm gonna use some of this as lipstick. It's gonna look crazy, trust me though. I know, just rock with me for a second. Madeleine. Oh shit, is this Madeleine? Oh, this is lighter than I thought it was gonna be. Oh God, that's light. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. It's light as hell, but wait till I blend it. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty, but y'all know I gotta be a little extra. I like these butter glosses, but they're not thick enough to me. I like thick. Like, I like really thick glosses. So, I'm gonna take just my regular clear dollar gloss that you would get at any beauty supply. This one I think is Ruby Kisses. And I'm gonna add a little bit of that on here. Just a little bit. Yes, you see the extra shine it gives? Yeah, it's gonna be thick as hell. Yeah, if you go outside a bug, probably gonna stick to it, but it don't matter. It's popping. Yes, but the improvement I made. Okay. Then I still am not done because I'm extra like that. I'm still gonna take Fortune Cookie and add just a little bit to the center. If Madeleine was this light, I'm intrigued to see how light Fortune Cookie is. Cause this was supposed to be the lightest one. Oh bitch, that's light. Oh, But that's pretty. I don't want it to get like the dough foot contaminated, so I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand and then apply it with the same brush we used to apply to put the clear. That's bomb. I like that. That's pretty. Okay. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. Honey. I don't know if I got it on camera, but I used the Physicians Formula 24-Hour Gold Setting Spray. I don't know if you guys can see, it actually has like gold shimmer in there. Bomb. So I use that to set my face, and this is the final look. This is our drugstore beat, baby. Let's just say the drugstore has come a long way, mama. Like, compared to the drugstore brands or like the drugstore options that I had growing up, we have come a very long way. Do you see this face? Like, y'all girls is lucky. Y'all are blessed. So some of my favorite items that I used in this video, let's give it up to the little e.l.f. little liquid glitter. This bad boy is a straight dupe for the Stila ones. Like this, I want to go get in every color. It was fire. Also, to another favorite of mine out of this video was the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I think this is so pretty. Like, yes, go get you some, sis. If you're not trying to break the bank, go get you some. Another one that I really liked is the NYX Camo Concealer. This shocked me. I am not a big e.l.f. I said NYX, I'm sorry, e.l.f. e.l.f. Camo Concealer, I think I said that, I don't know. I'm not a big e.l.f. complexion person. I like their little brushes. I like their little lip stuff here and there and a little bit of their like skincare stuff. But I've never really touched their complexion stuff. This is my first time trying something that was complexion based from them. And I was pleasantly surprised. Like, okay, e.l.f., we see you out here. So those three things, in my opinion, were like some things that really stood out to me as like, wow, shocking, this came from the drugstore. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's your girl Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, as well as share with your friends and family. I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe because you know you already want to. I'm pretty sure if you haven't watched some of my videos, you're going to, because as you can see, I am tons of fun. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button because you know you want to. And with that being said, I'm losing daylight and I got another video to film. Once again, it's Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion, and I'm out this beach. Bye.